Rahul M is concerned. The story has come from Kerala, and what we have learnt is that trouble seems to be mounting for Rahul M. The investigation into the first rape case against Palakkad MLA Rahul M has been handed over to the crime branch. A special team led by AIG is now going to probe the case. Earlier, this case was being investigated by Thiruvananthapuram City Police Commissioner. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Arpita joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Arpita, good afternoon. Can you explain to us the significance of this particular development and why this means more trouble for Rahul M?
Well, good afternoon, Hina. Now, this development comes after there were doubts within the police department that why is it that whenever they had gone to catch Rahul, he was missing from that place. Whenever they got a lead from, he's there at a particular place, and before even the police could reach there, he was missing from that place. So they had initial doubts that somebody from the team itself was helping Rahul to flee from that place. This was one of the reasons why initially the investigating team decided to hand over the case to crime branch, where another special team would form and they would investigate the matter was said. Now, when the second case was registered, a female officer was assigned to investigate the matter so that she can talk to the complainant, take the details and take the case further. When this happened, the crime branch then decided that this investigating officer let her continue to investigate both the cases, that is FIR 1 where the complainant had initially given a complaint to Chief Minister, and the second case where this AIG is originally assigned the case. So now both the cases will be handed by this AIG who will look into the matter.
Right.
And she has formed a special investigating team. Under her team, they will investigate the matter further. Now, Rahul Mamkottal yesterday, after 16 days, was seen in Palakkad after he got interim protection from the court. Now, Monday is a crucial day. We need to wait and watch what happens on Monday.
Absolutely. We look forward to what happens on Monday. But for now, Arpita, thank you for joining us with your inputs on this story. Now, viewers, amid serious harassment charges, Times Now confronted expelled MLA Rahul M. But Rahul M. repeatedly dodged Times Now's tough questions, refusing to give a clear answer on the allegations against him. Take a look at the sequence.
Party has expelled you. Did you expect such a strong this from party side?
Move aside, I can sit. Move aside, I can sit.
On the back, yes. Did you expect such a strong reaction from party? Since day one, they were supporting you, but finally, when the anticipatory bail was rejected, the party expelled you. What do you have to say on that? Party has expelled you. Did you expect such a strong this from party side?
Move aside, I can sit. Move aside, I can sit. Move aside, I can sit.
On the back, yes. Did you expect such a strong reaction from party? Since day one, they were supporting you, but finally, when the anticipatory bail was rejected, the party expelled you. What do you have to say on that? I am at the Palakkad MLA's office, Rahul Mamkottal's office in Palakkad, where the MLA is finally seen after 2 weeks of hiding. He's right there. In fact, when media questioned, he refused to answer any of the questions by the media. In fact, Times Now also questioned the MLA, but he refused to answer any of the questions. He has been missing since 15 days after the first complainant had complained against the MLA of sexual assault to the Chief Minister later when the FIR was registered. After that, even there was a second FIR which had come after a 23-year-old girl had complained, had written a letter to KPCC President Sunny Joseph. He had then forwarded it to DGP, and a second FIR also been registered in this case. In fact, in the first complaint, High Court has given him interim protection till 15th of December. That is no to arrest. And in the second case, he has already got anticipatory bail from the Trivandrum Sessions Court. Now, after he got protection, he decided to come back to Palakkad to vote for local body elections in Palakkad. So that is when, after 15 days, he has now emerged here in Palakkad. The question remains, where was he hiding all these while? What has given him so much confidence that he is back now after 15 days? 15th is a crucial day for him. 15th December is a crucial day for him because High Court will hear anticipatory bail plea in the first case, in the first FIR registered against him, and also in the second case, the Sessions Court has given him anticipatory bail under few circumstances, which clearly says that the MLA has to go and sign in front of the investigating officer in Thiruvananthapuram. So it remains to be seen what happens on 5th. But finally, after 2 weeks, missing MLA Rahul Mamkottal is back to his constituency